Okay. So guys, here, listen. And online students, am I audible? Online students. Okay, right. Let me come out, guys, here in the last session. Okay, so after installation successfully we completed, once you want to install your software in your system. Okay, what we said here, when we work, okay, on Oracle database, these are the two, okay, the steps we need to follow after successfully we install your software. And when you want to work on Oracle database, okay, there are two kind of procedures are there here. First of all, a connectivity procedure. First we need to connect, and second one is what now? Communication. So connectivity purpose, what we required, that we discussed, okay, in last session. So we required some tools here, and here one of the tool I'm using now, SQL Plus, and the second one we called as a communication purpose. So whenever you want to communicate into the database here, so there is one language is required, and that language is called as what now? SQL. And later some differences when you want to go for to differentiate in between SQL Plus and SQL, what kind of differences are there here we can see. Okay, now so we said SQL Plus, it is a one database tool which was introduced by Oracle Corporation, and SQL is called as what now? Database language, and which was introduced by IBM, and it is using to connecting to Oracle database server. So whenever you want to connect, so this tool compulsory we should required here. And the communication purpose, this SQL language we are using. And SQL Plus not only for connecting, even though we can use as a editor, we can use as an editor for writing and executing of SQL queries, and also PLSQL programs, because in Oracle we have two parts. I already explained to you, SQL and PLSQL. So both the both purpose we are using same software. Okay, now again some students are thinking that SQL purpose one software, and PLSQL purpose again I want to install separate software. Okay, so that is not correct. Okay, whatever the software I'm using or installed here, this software will be used for two languages purpose. In the same SQL Plus software, I can write SQL queries and also PLSQL programs. Okay, now so there is no need any separate installations here. And whatever I show you in the last sessions, okay, how to downloading software and installation, once same software, once you download and installed, you will get what now? SQL Plus. Okay, SQL Plus for purpose, you don't want it again separate installation. So whatever in the yesterday I show you in the day before yesterday, so same software for this tool. Understand now? So up to here we did here. Okay, and now we will see the step one procedure. I will show you how to connecting to Oracle. Okay, in this connectivity levels, there are different types of the problems, connectivity problems also we will be faced here. And if you face any one problem, then how I can overcome that. Okay, no? Right. So take first, what is the day today? Okay. The side heading was so how to connect to Oracle database server. So whenever you want to connecting to Oracle database, then how we want to connect here, and what kind of the steps we need to follow. Okay, we will check it out. So now we can see in this connectivity level. Okay, now right. So first what we want to do here, first you have to go your all programs. Okay, now after installation successfully done, you go to all programs here, and in this all programs you have one folder, the Oracle DB home one. Okay, can you see this is one folder, it was come to you. Okay, now so Oracle, okay, DB 19 home one. So this is one folder you will be get it, and this folder you just go to, okay, just expand this folder or just open it now. So I just open here, and there are so many tools in this. One of the tool is what now here, SQL Plus. Okay, now so what I'm saying here, go to all programs and go to Oracle DB, Okay, 1901 folder, and expand this. In this folder, you have a SQL plus icon. And here shortcutly, if you want to keep on your desktop, you can keep it like this. And this is your tool. This is my tool. Okay, SQL plus. Okay. And after getting this tool, and we all of you know, okay, we just open this and it was asking to us what it was. Okay, the entered username it was asking. And my tool is called as what now? SQL plus. Okay. And it is not like that I can go to directly interact here. I want to require what? User credentials. And first username is asking. And default user. Who is the default user? I said system. So system is one of your default user guys here. You just enter system. And here password, here my installation time, I was given Tiger. But at your installation time, whatever your password was given, okay, that password should be given. And remember, whatever the password are you given at the time of installation, that password is only for system user purpose. That password you can't use any other users. That is only for which purpose? System administrators. So now my password is Tiger. So I was entered this Tiger and connected successfully now. So this is which version are you using, which edition are you using, it's very clearly showing to you. Okay, now so when we will be connecting like this, there is nothing problem. Okay, I don't have any problem, I can directly connect it. But sometimes what it was happen, whenever you want to connecting to Oracle, some problems we will be face at the connectivity levels. Okay, na? So which kind of problems we will be face at connectivity level? Let me write here. First write down here steps. First step. So go to all programs. Next one, go to Oracle dash Ora DB 19 home 1 folder, and after this then you have to go for click on SQL plus icon, SQL plus icon, and immediately it was asking to you enter your username and give it your user system, and system is called as a default user. Okay, default username in Oracle. Okay, now and later it was asking to us enter what now? Password. So password, so my password is Tiger. So this is we are giving at which time here? At installation level. At installation. So at installation, whatever the password you given, that you can. Then finally you will be get some message, suppose connected. There is nothing problem here. Okay. Now, so these are the steps we need to follow to connectivity level. But okay, what I am saying here, the system Tiger, okay, with this, if you are connected successfully, so there is nothing problem here. Okay, no? And now, so now suppose in this level, we have some problems we'll face at the connectivity level, and how we can to overcome that. Now below right now, connectivity problems. So in this connectivity problem, the problem number 1. Okay, now what is my problem number 1 here upset? Suppose in case with what you are going to be connecting system and Tiger, suppose if you are unable to connect, okay, what it was happening, you can see. For example, I'm going to here, I'm doing something in my services. I'm going to services here, and I already show you. In your services, you have your Oracle services will be there. And carefully observe. This is your Oracle services. Okay, now? So in this Oracle services, Okay, already it was what it is, running mode. That means your Oracle server is in a running mode. So now what we want to do, I just go to stop it this running mode. Okay, now I'm going to click on this and I will say here, actually my services status, what is the status here? Running, but I'm just going to do stop. So once if I stop this services here, okay, in your services block, what it was happen whenever you want to connect into Oracle. Okay, right. Okay, right. So now my services status was what now? Stop mode. Okay, I just go to click on OK, and now we can see your Oracle Services ORCL is not going to be showing any running mode option. Is there any option here? No. So nothing was there. So now it was like this. For example, in your system also, Oracle Services ORCL is not in a running mode. It's just having some LT like okay. It means what now? Your services will be stop here. At this moment, if you directly come back your database now, again, I'm going to click on SQL Plus. Again, if you click on SQL Plus and go to here, what it was happening, you can see. So now the same as my username is what now? System. And what is my password? Tiger. But what it was happen, you can say. What it was happen? Are you connected? No. So without connectivity, we are facing one error. So the error was Aura -12560. What is the problem here? TNS protocol adapter error. So that means so TNS protocol adapter error. Whenever you will be face this problem, immediately you have to go services. In your services, what should I need to activate? Oracle Services ORCL. That service I need to activate. If that service will be not in running mode, then you can't connecting with your Oracle. Okay, no? This is the first problem here. And this problem, how I can overcome, I said, go to your service, type your services in search button. Okay, you will get a services. Understand? Go to services, go to services. If services will be open, and here so many, okay, the files will be there like Oracle job schedules, okay, okay, MTNS protocols, okay, so many are there, but you have to check only Oracle services. So Oracle services, what it was here, not running. So that's what you want to do on this Oracle services. You just double click. When you double click here, the window will be open to you, the property window. In this, first you have to take it out here. Startup type is there. I was choosing what now? Automatic. So, but here some options are there whenever you want to go for this. So, what kind of options are there here? Automatic with the delay respond, automatic, manual, and disable. So, disable means what now? Your services are not activated. Manual is nothing but what now? Every time whenever you need to open your system, the service manually you need to activate. That is one, and it was very difficult. And don't use the automatic delay start. Okay, this is also don't select. And what you need to select here? Automatic. Automatic, if you selected this property here, what is the advantage? Means once you open your computer, automatically your Oracle servers also activated. Okay, now so user explicitly he don't want to go and activate. Okay, so now that is my startup type. So startup type I need to select what now? Automatic. After that, come back here in the below. Service status was stopping here, but here what button? Start button is there. The start button you just go to click. Once you click on here, your services will be going to start now. Okay, now, so now your services are activated here. And what is the status of this? Running status. After that, you just come back here. You have your apply option is there. And after apply, then after go to OK. So now the services I'm going to activated this. I was applied this and click on OK. Once you click on OK, then you can go and check it out. Your Oracle services now it was running mode. Okay. When it was having running mode and doing this operation, then just come back here. Go to your what is this SQL plus icon. Go to open, and it was asking again username. So now this time you can go to send your user ID and password. So now are you successfully connected? Yes. Got it my point now? So below write down for the first problem. So go to open SQL plus, and now you just enter username. So SYS system and password. Enter password. Okay, now, so what is your error will come to you? ANS protocol adapter error. So this error message you will be get it now. So this okay problem, and what is my solution for this? Okay, solution also right down below. So go to services, go to services. Okay, next go to Oracle services, Oracle service ORCL. Okay, ORCL, and click on it. Next you have to do select what I want to select here. Startup type. What is my startup type here? Automatic. The startup type is automatic. Then after you have to go the next option. Click on which button? Start button. Okay. After clicking on start button, okay, finally you have to click on apply and okay. So this is what you have to do for your problem. Clear now? Is it okay? Right. This is problem number 1. Okay. You have to do, and later you can come back and enter your username and password. And it was showing what now? Now it was entered to you. Okay. Now you can go to say what it was telling us connected. Okay. This is first solution. And next problem number 2. What is the second problem while you are connecting to database? The second problem, okay, come back here. I just go to my database now, but I'm doing something here. Later I will explain to you what I did here. Okay. Then in the next attempt, the second problem is what now? Again, you are going to be same your SQL plus again. Again, you will enter your same username and your password is what now? Tiger. Your password is what now? Tiger. And now I connected. So whenever you try and second way, and suppose you will be get not TNS protocol adapter, you will be get what now? The account is a lock. Suppose this kind of message or error you will be faced at the time of connectivity level. So how I can overcome this problem? Understand now? To overcome this, okay, what we want to do, we have a one more, okay, default user. His name is called as a slash sys as sysdba is a another user which is also given by Oracle. Okay, one user is system, one user is a sys as sysdba. These are the two user names which are default and given by Oracle people along with your software. Okay, so first and later you will be connecting with this, and this user password we are not created. Your password is also default. Yes, why? Yes. What is my password? Yes. And now I just go to connect. After connecting with him or with this user, then he want to write one command here. The command is called as alter user. Which user I have to account? Unlock a system user. System user account, actually what it was happen? Lock. That lock account, what you want to do? Unlock. Yes. So who will unlock here? System database administrator will unlock this. So he was unlocked. After unlock, then come back your connectivity. Again, it is asking username. What is my username here? System. My password is what? Tiger. Now he will be connected. This is second problem and solution. Understand? Na? Write down below. The second problem. Go to SQL plus. Go to SQL plus. Okay. So enter your username and my password is Tiger. And you will be faced this problem, the second problem. Okay, now this is second problem, and this problem solution below write down. What is the solution here? Same as go to SQL plus and you will be give it your username and is another user. What is the user? Slash sys as sysdba system database admin. Okay, na? So here I'm saying he is also default user or username. Okay, now so this person password is also default. Here we are not designed here sys. Okay, this is called as what now? Default password. Okay, this both are given by Oracle. Okay, now so with this person or with this user, first you need to connect. So are you connecting now? Are you connected? After connected, here one command should be right. What is the command here? I will give command how to, okay, lock or else unlock. Locking and also unlocking. How to unlock a user in Oracle. Okay, na? If anybody asks you what is the formula or syntax of this, now you can write your syntax. Every syntax is a predefined formula. Okay, na? Now the syntax was alter user, and I have to give what now? Username. Okay, and what I want to do? Account. So account you can lock. Okay, use lock property. You want to unlock, you can use unlock property. Now my above person, what it was happened? Account is locked. Locked means what I want to do? Unlock. So now I'm going to writing below this statement. What is my statement here? Okay, alter user. Which user? System. Very good. System. Account. Okay, what I want to do? Lock or unlock? Unlock. Okay, yes. So after doing this, okay, next you have to go to connect now in your what we can say. Now go to your again SQL plus. Now can go to SQL plus. Okay, now we can enter. So username, now system, and password is also entered there itself, Tiger. And now you will be what it was getting now connected. So this is a second problem you will be faced like. Is it over? Is it over this? Up to here is over now? Okay. Right now. Okay. Clear all of you? Now some people have a doubt. For example, TNS protocol adapter we overcome, and locking problem also we overcome. Suppose somebody is asking, sir, when we want to unlock for a particular user, so who was logged in here? SysDBA. That means system administrator will log in. Suppose, sir, if I try with this person, if I am not connected, okay, na? This kind of chances also there. So problem number 3. In problem number 3, okay, again we are going to SQL plus, and again we are using the default user. Suppose, okay, slash sys as sysdba and sys, okay, na? Here, suppose you will be getting some error. What is your error? Unable to connect. Unable to connect Oracle. Okay, na? Suppose this kind of, suppose with this user, you are unable to connect, then what is the solution, sir? Okay. What is the solution? The solution is only the thing is, what is now? Reinstallation, because there is no other solution. Okay. If you are, even though you are unable to connect your sysdba or system, okay, if these two users are not connecting, okay, then finally you have to go to reinstall. That means your installation having some problems. Okay, no? So this is your third problem, and very oftenly these 3 okay problems you will be face. Okay, these are the problem and solutions. And here one thing, keep it in your mind always. Okay, what is that here? So in any case, any level here, username, okay, remember this point, username is not a case sensitive, is not a case sensitive, but password is a case sensitive. This point always keep in your mind. Okay, na? So this note point, all of you keep it. So for any user, username is not a case sensitive. Okay, but password is always a case sensitive. This point always keep in your mind when you are connecting to your database. Okay, right. So problem and solutions, all of you clear? If these problems will be get to you while you are practicing time, these notes will be follow and overcome that. Other than this three, if any other problem is come to you, come to me, I will solve it. Understand? Na? But these problem purpose also don't come to me. Why I'm giving this complete notes? Because of reason, same these problems will be getting, you can yourself, you can overcome it. Because already you know how to overcome, what is the solution for that problem. I was very clearly, it was given. Okay, now, but still you are getting this problem again, you don't come to me. Okay, now, first try with this. Okay, if it is okay, okay. If it is not come, if any other problem is also occurring, sir, then you have to bring your laptop. Okay, and I will see it. Okay, now, right. So now this is what it was. And next one, here observe. Okay, sir, finally we come back here. So successfully we are connecting with your system and Tiger, for example. What I want to do next? What is your next question? If I connecting to my Oracle, what is my next task? Okay, now we can see. If whenever you want to use system and Tiger, it's a default username if you use here. In this user, already some predefined tables are already existing. If those tables, whenever you want to see, then you are writing one command here, select a star from tab. Tab is also one of the predefined table. So whenever you want to view the list of tables in Oracle database, suppose you want to see how many number of tables are there in my database, the list of tables, whenever you want to view, there you can use a select a star from tab. So now see, select a star from tab. Who was writing this query? Which user? System user. So that means you are connecting with the system. Which user through are you connecting to Oracle? You remind like this, I'm that user. Now I am a system. Because I'm connecting with system means now my role. What is my role? I'm playing my role is as a system. So now if I see the tables of a system user account, select a star from tab. Now we can see there are so many tables up there. Okay, almost how much here? 155, including test 44. Yesterday we created. So now here careful observe. In 155 tables, some tables are our creation tables also there. What is our creation? Test 55. This is user creation. Okay, we created explicitly. Test 44, test 200, test 150, test 1. Okay, up to here, these are called as a user defined. See, 1, test 150, 200, 44. These are what now? User defines. These are user defines. Okay. And here, now here, see, tab quotas. Okay, tab. Can you see? Tab is also predefined. Sys files. Okay. Sys catalog. These are all what now? System defined tables. And the system defined tables, automatically it will come to you along with your software. So whenever you want installing some softwares, okay, installing your software, internally some system defined tables also will come as. Okay, na? So those are these. Understand na? but my creation tables are only these, which I was given my own names. Test 1, test 200, like this. Okay. That means in this list, what it was happen, your system defined tables and user created tables, both are mixed. Yes or no? In that way, so many people are confused at the time of practicing. Where is my table? How I can check? There are so many tables. In so many tables, my table also there. So now what happened? Work level, when you're practicing level, it may be a little bit confusion is occurred. That's why what you want to do when you want to do practice, okay, first you connecting with the system. After connecting to system to your Oracle, then you have to create your own user account. How you are creating Gmail accounts? Can you create your own Gmail account? Facebook account? Yes or no? Yes. So how yourself you are creating one Gmail account, one Facebook account, one Yahoo account, how you are created in Oracle server also, your purpose, you will create one user account. Understand? Na? So that is called a how to created a new user and password. This is very important. Okay, na? Now you are observed. So after connecting, what next here? My question: how to create? Take down. How to create a new user account? A new user account in Oracle server. In Oracle database server. So yourself, you want to create your own username and password. Okay. Now syntaxes, careful observe. These are important to you. What is my formula to create a user account? Okay. So create username identified by what I want to use, password. Okay, na? Create username identified by password. This is the syntax of creating a new user account in your Oracle. So whenever you want to create here, okay, na? So compulsory this syntax should be used. Okay. Now your question, sir, actually this new user name or new user accounts, who will create it, sir, in real time? Means that in real time, this username passwords are created by database admins. So who are working DBA position, who are working as a DBA position. So database administrator responsibility is what now? They want to create some user accounts, and those user accounts they are giving to employee whenever he was connecting to Oracle, this user ID password through they are connected. Okay, so it's a blindly remember, user accounts are created by one and only one person, who is that? Database admin. Okay, other than database admin, no one can create. Myself, I can't create my user account. If my user account want to create, means I want to go for request to administrators, then administrators will be created. And now who is your admin present? Present in my, okay, in my Oracle, who is admin present? System is my database admin. Okay, your entire class. You remember who is your admin? If anybody asks you, your administrator name is what? System only. So first, what you want to do? First, you have to connect with your admin. Connect with your admin. So my administrator system, and he was connected. After connecting with the system user account, then this person, that means now I am a user, I'm admin. Now I am admin, not user. To what I'm connecting? System. System means who? Database admin. So now I'm an admin. So now I'm an admin. Now I'm creating one user. Understand my point now? So I'm creating one user. How to create? Syntax is what? Create. Come on. Username. I'm creating MyDB 2 PM. For our batch purpose, I'm creating one database user. MyDB 2 PM. What next? Identified by password. Okay, sir. My password is ABC. ABC is what? Capital or smaller? Capitals. Okay, sir. Now, user is successfully created. So after created this user account, who was created? Administrator was created. But immediately, suppose, okay, sir, my admin was created one user account for me. My username is MyDB2PM. My password is ABC. Then this user, MyDB2PM user, he was directly going to connecting now. Okay, what is username? MyDB2PM. Password is what now? ABC. Now he was directly connecting. Now user tried to connecting with user account and password. What it was happening, you can see he was unable to connect. He was unable to connect. So that means here the error was come out. What is the error? User MyDB 2 PM lacks create session privileges, log on denied. Understand? Na? So that means here, it means why, sir? Why this user is not connecting, sir? Means that the reason database administrator just created your user ID and password. That's it. But he was not given any permission to you to connect with this user ID password to your server. So he was just created, but he was not given any permissions. This is called a first level of security. That means when you're working on databases, if you know my user ID, my password, if you know that, and that user ID password through, are you trying to connecting database now? Still, you are not connected. Why, sir? Because you want to connect to Oracle means you required a grant permission. And the grant permission, who will give it? Again, database admins will give it. So even though when we know our user ID and password, but still I am not connecting. Understand? Na? So that means initially database administrator, whatever user account or user password is created, this user is called as a dummy user. Dummy means waste fellow. Dummy user means waste person. That means there is no value of that. That is called a dummy. Yes or no? Dummy means what now? No value for that. There is no permissions, no privileges, no rights, nothing was there. He was just a one dummy fellow. Understand? Na? So here also, whenever administrators are created any number of users, but every user initially at the time of creation, those users are what now? Dummy users. That dummy means they don't have any privileges. They don't have any permissions. They don't have any authentication and authorization permissions. That kind of people are called as a dummy fellows. Okay, na? So MyDB 2 PM is also dummy. So this a dummy person, he tried to connecting to Oracle directly, but it was showing what now? No, you don't have a privilege. You don't, privilege means permission, rights. Privilege means what now? Right. Okay, that you don't have it here. So now what I want to do? Before you want to connect to Oracle, this MyDB 2 PM user request to whom? Administrator, sir, please give me connectivity permission. Please give me connectivity permission. Then this system admin will give now. Okay, now system tiger. Now we connected and he was granting which permission? Connectivity. Grant, connect. This permission to whom I want to granting? Which user? MyDB 2 PM user. Now grant succeeded. So database administrator was granting which permission? Connect permission to whom? To MyDB 2 PM user. After granting connect permission to this user, now we can see this user, now he will go. MyDB 2 PM ABC. Now he will connect it. Connected? Now tell me, databases are having security or else anybody can come and join? No, na? Have a secure now? Yes. This is what first level of information. Right down below. Take example here. Right now. So first connect with your administrator. So in the bracket I'm writing here, he was admin for easy to understand. And after admin connected successfully, then you can go to create your user account. Okay, write this. Okay, now you can, after that below write down. How to granting, how to granting, connect, granting connect privilege to MyDB 2PM, MyDB 2PM user. How to granting okay, or else I can try how to grant connect privilege to MyDB 2PM user by database admin. Who is my database admin? System. Okay, here syntax right on. What is my syntax to grant here? My syntax will be grant, and here I want to give it now privilege name. Which name here? Privilege name to whom I want to give user. So which user you want to give this privilege? There are so many privileges are there. One by one I will explain to you. This is the first starting step. Okay, connectivity privilege. So which user you want to give this connectivity privilege? The privilege name to which user? That username. Okay now. So now after I'm going to connect it here. So again, you have to go to your what we called SQL Plus and give it connectivity. And in this connectivity, it will be asking to you what next it was asking. Enter username. Enter username. What is my user here? System and Tiger. Must be connected first with him. Then after you will write this command. Then after you can write this command. What is the command here? Grant. So connect to, who is this? MyDB 2 PM. Yes. Now you will be get a grant succeeded message. After succeeded, you will get it now. Okay. After getting grant succeeded, then go to connect your user account, and user account is connected. So here I'm giving capitals for syntaxes because just for highlight purpose. Okay, na? But you can write in a small case character, whatever it was. Okay. Completed. Okay, right. So user creation, user permissions we given. Up to here, clear all of you? Understanding? So what we did first, on our own account we created. Okay, na? After that we taken permission from administrator to connectivity. So successfully we connected. MyDB 2PM user is connected. Here MyDB 2PM is a normal user. System is a administrator. That should be remember always. Okay. So then you can understand clarity on the subject. What I am doing here. Okay. Now he was connected. But here careful observe. Sir, username MyDB 2PM. That's okay. Password is ABC. So now this user wanted, I want to change my password. Understand here? MyDB 2PM user wanted, he want to change his password. Can you change your user Gmail account passwords as your wish? So here also how to change password. Now next write down how to change, okay, a user password. Because your next question is this is only somebody is asking, sir, I want to change my password. Okay, then how we can change? Here observe carefully. Now come back here. So who was connected now present? MyDB 2PM is a user na? He was connected. Now he what he wanted, he was connected with the old password. Now he want to change his password. So he want to write a one command. What is the command here? Password command you should be right. When you're writing this password command, it was asking to you changing password for which user? MyDB 2PM. What it was asking to me? Old password. What is my old password? ABC. I entered already. So ABC. Asking what? New password. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next asking what? Retype new password. What is the new password? 1, 2, 3. I was entered. Password change. After changing this password, let you test now whether change or not. Okay, I'm testing now. So connect. So CONN means what now? Connect. What is my username? MyDB 2PM / ABC if I'm giving. ABC connected? No, let you see connected or not. ABC. What it was say? Error, invalid username or password. So that means your password successfully changed. Let me come out and check. Connect. MyDB 2 PM/123. Connected. So that means password successfully changed. Yes, right down below. Write this. First, connect with your user account name and with old password. And after that, you have to use is a command. Password is a command here. And if you enter this password, automatically it was asking all the details. My old password is ABC. New password is 123. Confirmation of password is 123 and password successfully changed. Username change is possible. Username changing mechanism is not there. Only password changing. If you want to change your username means there is only the situation is new user is create. I will tell you that. Okay, clear up to now? Passwords, how to change, you know now? Now, next question immediately come to you in our mind. Sir, suppose if I forgot it my password, then how to recreate? Okay, now that is your next question. Right down below. How to recreate? How to recreate a password? Recreate a password if we forgot. If we forgot it. Now tell me, password, if I forgot it. If I forgot it means MyDB 2 PM/123. So password 123, I forgot it. I know my username, but I forgot my password. Then what do you want to do in your Gmail account? There is below some links are there. Forgot password link. Yes or no? Are you clicking on forgot password link? When you click on forgot password link, what it was happening? It was sending to request your admin. The request will go to where? Administrator. And administrator will give some options to you. Yes or no? Otherwise a recreate option, hint options, something it will be there in the Gmail or some websites. Yes or no? So here also, once you forgot it, your password means who will create a administrator. So now you can come back. So now that means you are requesting to your admin. Okay, you are requesting to your admin in real time. For example, you are working in a company. You said your administrator, Sir, I forgot my password, sir. Can you give me one more password? Then administrator will do this work. Not yourself, you can't do. Because you forgot your password, na? So how can you log in? Impossible. Yes or no? How can you log in? When I know my user ID and password, but password is forgotten, na? Can you log in? No. So that's why your request to whom I want to send? Administrator. Then administrator will connecting now. Your administrator in a company, he will be connecting in his system. Okay. He will be connecting in his system. So his user account through, he will connected. After connected, he will, what he wants to do, recreate, not freshly, new create, not recreate for which user? Existing user. Okay. So that's why I'm doing which command? Alter. These all commands I will explain to you in the next class. Okay. No, don't worry. Alter user, which user account? MyDB 2 PM username. What I want to do? Identified by, now new password is given, MyDB 2 PM. एक काम कर, बार बार you भूल जा रहा है, that's why your username, your password both are same. You never forgot it. Yes or no? Now administrator is altering. After altering, then this user password will sending to user password sending to programmer or user. Now user will come. User will connected MyDB 2 PM / what is my password now? MyDB 2 PM. Now you will be connected. Understand? Na? So that means once you forgot it, your password, you request to admin will recreate. Understand? Na? Write down below. First, I will show you syntax. First, the syntax will take how to do this. Syntax is alter username identified by, what I want to say, new password. After that, in your example, you just write this. Completed. Okay, right. And now next one. Some intelligent people are there. Those intelligent people, what they did, They forgot it, their username, but they remember password. That's why there is intelligence. Huh? If any intelligent was there like that, sir, I forgot it my username, sir, but I remember my password, sir. What I can do? Okay, na? For those people purpose, the syntax is used. Okay. How to view user name in Oracle database server. When you want to see if you forgot, if we forgot it, if we forgot it. Okay, na? So what is the syntax, sir? First the syntax. See here, I'm telling syntaxes are called as a predefined formulas. Okay, na? So these formulas, once you remember, it was very easy database. Otherwise, a lot of confusion. Select username from all underscore users. With this command, you can see your usernames if whenever you want to forgot it. Okay. Now we can see, but who will see these usernames? Because you forgot it. You forgot it means you can't connect. Yes or no? Then who will say? Again, administrator. That means you want a request to whom again? Again, admin. Sir, I forgot it, sir. My username, please tell me. Huh? So now again here what it was happened. So who will connect it again? Administrator connected. After connected, he was writing command. What is this? Select who I want to say. Username from which table? All underscore users. Okay. Every user creation data, your entire informations, user ID, okay, will be saving under where now? All underscore users table. In this table, can you see you have your username? Yes. So these are some predefined usernames, HR, DVF, lab. Okay, na? Like you can see, your system also there or not there by default. Having or not? These are what now? Given by Oracle people. So SYS, system, add system, sys backup. These are all are what now? Predefined user names. These are up to here. These are all are predefined up to here. And this is ourself we created. Okay, U11, MyDB 4 p.m., U12, MyDB 2 p.m. Just now we created. MyDB 6 p.m., MyDB 9 a.m. Okay, na? So every batch purpose, I'm creating that user ID because I can remember easily. Okay, na? So now you can see your user names. Okay, this is what now? Username. Right down below. Now write down example. Okay, right. So finally, how to create a new user and password, how to change their passwords, how to recreate their password if they forgot it, how to view usernames if they forgot it. These are the things what we did as of now. And finally, suppose you need to drop your user, even though you can drop it. Below right down. So how to drop a user from Oracle database server. From Oracle database server. Okay, so what is your syntax here? The syntax will be drop command I'm using, drop user, username, and give it your cascade. So cascade is one of the predefined keyword. Okay, na? So when you want to drop your users, you can apply that. Okay. Now tell me, your users who will drop? Myself, I can't drop because I'm going to log in. After login, can I drop my user? No, because I'm still activate mode. So I can't go to do this. So who will drop again? Administrators. Let me come out and see how the administrators can see your usernames, and he's the person he can drop. So connect with your admin. Now understanding now, every time I'm using admin. Understanding now, admin how much powerful? Huh? So admin is your boss. Every database related, that means database security related, all operations are in which hand? Administrator. Employee nothing in companies. Everything will be taken by admin. Main powers having in administrators. Administrator will give permission, then only you can do. If they're not giving any permission, you can't do anything. Okay, so that's why database administrators in company, what their responsibility means, complete security maintenance they will see in a companies. Okay, na? So now every permission, every action was done by admin only here. Now here only you can see practically I'm showing what it was happening. Now admin, he was dropping now. Drop user. Who is that? MyDB 2 p.m. What I want to apply? Cascade keyword. It was done now, and see your user is successfully dropped. After user successfully dropped, previously you can see how many users in my database? 43 including 2 p.m. Now you can see select username from all underscore users. Now how many people? 42. Do you have any MyDB 2 p.m.? No. So successfully we drop a? Yes, right. Clear now? So this is what we called as the introduction about the Oracle tool. As of now, complete Oracle software related things only we did. Okay. So once I just rewind here, what we discussed in the Oracle, just come out and see what we discussed, guys, in the Oracle topic. Introduction of Oracle. What is Oracle? Oracle, when it was introducing, Oracle, what purpose we are introducing, how many versions are there from 1.0 to 19C and latest 21C we discuss, and versions of Oracle software. Okay, now all are we discuss each version, what kind of features are there, that already we discuss in that. And after that, Oracle softwares, okay, how many editions available? Two editions are available in your real-time market. Oracle Express Edition, Oracle Enterprise. Oracle Express Edition supporting futures only, partially, not completed. If anybody asks you what kind of futures cannot do it, means recycle bin, flashback, purge, partition tables, this kind of operations I cannot perform under Express Edition. And now next one is what? Enterprise Edition supporting all the futures. And whatever here not supported, everything I can do here. Okay, then after that I'm showing how to download your 19C Enterprise Edition software. Link I was given, and installation hardware requirements and software requirements. And after that, working with Oracle, we said after installation of Oracle, what it was happening internally, there are two components are installed internally. One is a client and a server. So client responsibility was there. What is the responsibility? For connectivity purpose, sending requests, getting response. This is client responsibility. The client tools are SQL Plus Developer, Third, PLSQL Developer, any one tool you can use, whatever you want it, your wish. Okay. And server is called as, again, two more subcomponents are there, instance and database. Instance is used for temporary storage purpose, allocating from RAM memory, and database is permanent storage purpose, allocating from hard disk. This is a RAM, this is a ROM. Okay, now what we said here, okay, after installation successfully done, we want to work. Now I want to start my work on a Oracle database. Then there are two steps mechanism you need to follow. One is we called as a connectivity. For connectivity purpose, we need some tools, and the tool is called as SQL Plus. Communication purpose, we required one language. That language is called as a SQL. And the differences of SQL Plus and SQL language, what is the differences we discuss here. And after that, how to connecting to database server, the steps I was showing here. And after connectivity level, whenever you want to connectivity, while connectivity levels, they have some connectivity problems. Problem number one, TNS protocol, how to overcome that problem. The solution also I was given. Problem number two, account is lock, how to overcome this. And here one more new user I was taken here, what now? SysDBA, he was a default username. So here two people are there, system and SysDBA. Both are database administrators only. And later, how to lock, unlock your user. So this is a common syntax here, alter user username, account is lock or unlock. So already your system account is locked. Now I want to do what now? Unlock. So then after system is successfully connected. And problem number three, suppose you are using SysDBA and system, both are not connected, system not connected, SysDB also not connected, then there is only the solution, what now? Reinstallation of your software. Okay, now? So this is what. Then after connecting successfully, what we discuss here, how to create our own user accounts. So the user accounts creation syntax, create user, username identified by password. Who will create it? I said administrators, either this admin or that admin, anybody. Okay. Now, so the administrator will create a user, username, password, ABC. After created, he want to connect. But what I said, every new user is called as a dummy user. He doesn't have any privileges. So that's why you need to take privileges from whom? Database administrators. So how they want to give a privileges to the users means one command is there. The command is called as what now? Grant. Grant privilege name to username. Then after connecting, so sys and he was granting connectivity permission to MyDB 2PM. Then MyDB 2PM is successfully connected. After connected, you want to change his user password. You can use password command and you can change it. Then after, if you forgot it, your passwords can be recreated by only administrator with the command of alter user username identified by new password. So command, administrator connecting and doing this. And after he was giving new password to you, and this new password through are you connected. Suppose you forgot it, your username, then how I can see my username in my Oracle database server if I forgot it. So this is your syntax, and who will see? That is also seeing by only administrators. Administrators will using this command to see your users. Okay, and finally dropping user. Who will drop? Administrators can drop. How to drop? Drop user, username, cascade. Okay, now? So this is complete the introduction part of what now? Oracle. This is topic number 2. As our schedule, I already said to you. So topic number 1, DBMS is over. Topic number 2, Oracle 19C, introduction part 2. Tool version, what is what we discuss. Next one is what now? SQL. This is called what? Communication. As of now, connectivity we discuss. Step 1. Step 2, what? Communication. After successfully connecting to your database, next I have to interact now. Now interaction purpose, what we required? SQL language, and SQL language will take 30 sessions. How many sessions? 30 sessions will take Now from there onwards, your query practicals are started. So maybe I will start it on tomorrow. Okay, na? So tomorrow onwards, your practicals are started, queries are started, but still these guys are not sending any Google Classroom link and whatever. Once check out, guys, all of you again. Today you can get it or not. Check it out. You are getting any message from Naresh IT? Got it, huh? No, huh? Huh? శ్రీకాంత్ ఉన్నాడా? ఎవరున్నారు ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ?